Hey everyone, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create TikTok style like text. So over the past couple of years, TikTok has blown up massively and more of its content is being shared on other social media platforms. For example, we see a lot of TikToks on Instagram. And if you're trying to create a TikTok outside of TikTok or just trying to replicate the same style as the TikTok text, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. So the tool we're going to be using is called Veed. So you can either head over to Google and Google Veed, which is V-E-E-D, and then click on the first link. If not, I'm going to be putting the links in the description as usual down below. So once you're in Veed, if you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free. And if you do, we're just going to click on the new project button in the top left. So now we're in Veed's video editor, and this is where we're going to upload the clip that we want to add TikTok style like text to. So if I click on the upload video button, I select my clip, click on open. And the audio of this clip isn't important, so I'm just going to mute it in the top, but I am going to show you that it is a video and it is in our timeline. So now to add the TikTok style like text, we're going to click on the text tab and add new text. And here we're going to type out anything we want, and I'm going to type out look at this just as an example, right? So as we can see, our text has now appeared on our screen. Now, the most important thing about TikTok text is it's often got the pastel colored blocks behind it. So what we're going to do is click on the advanced tab, and then we're going to click and change it from normal, and we're going to change it to block. So now we have a block, and what we're going to do is change the color of this block to a pastel color. So we could choose this pastel pink as the background, maybe this pastel blue right here. And we're also going to change the layout so it's centered, and then we're also going to change the front color to white like this. And now what we're going to do is actually change the font from Helvetica, and we're going to choose Arial Black because this one looks very similar to TikTok's font. Also this one right here, and then we're just going to resize it and place it around. So as you can see, now it looks like we have TikTok text on our video. You can change the duration of the text by clicking and dragging it on the timeline so it plays anywhere you want throughout the video, just like that. And that is a quick tutorial on how to add TikTok style like text to your video. I just want to show you that you can add a bunch more text, as many text bubbles as you want, and you can change the color, the font size, the layout, the style, everything. And then once you are happy with all of your text, click on the download button in the top right, and then Veed starts to render your video, and once it's finished rendering, you can download it. And that is how to add TikTok style like text to your videos. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.